everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we are in Guadalest. It's a nice little town, about half an hour away from Benidorm. So we're going to check out restaurants and all the shops. And then we are going to go to the waterfalls. Nice little shop here that sells all like different types of nuts and sweets. Oh, and chocolate. Oh, nice selection there, isn't there? Yeah, they got all like jams and stuff like that. Pretty cool. And over here they have a museum of macro, tiny little objects and stuff like that. It's one of the things at the museum. Don't know if you can see it. To the end of that pencil, there's like 3 ladies on top of the lead. Oh, there you go. Look at that, that's pretty cool, isn't it? What are you doing there, Beth? Standard that on holiday, that, isn't it?
5 cents. I had money. Right, let's check a design.
What designs have we got? Espanol guitar, Guadalest, little town. So what are you going for?
Don't know, just wrist it.
Just going for it. Go on, Beth. Give it some. Which one did you get? Guadalest?
They're all Guadalest, are they?
There you are, in Guadalest. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Hang guard, Beth.
I win. I won.
Ooh, hell tower just went off then. Oh. There it is. Hey! Gonna make our way up to right to the top out of this.
Yeah!
Reminds me of going up Table Mountain. That is incredible, that. What a view. Oh, you can see it sea over there. There we are, we found a 12th century prison. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but it's very dark, I must say.
What are these? To the house.
Cheese.
Can you see, Lou? Darkness? What else? What else can you see?
It's just really dark.
Maybe we should put another euro in it. It might not be working.
Silly me. Look, castle at the top there. Need to make our way up to the top. Right behind me is a typical house of the 18th century. It's free to go in. All they ask for is a little tip. It's really cool to see in there. Smart.
Oreos and cookies.
Oreos and cookies. That's great. We had to get some. It's an essential. Ah! Blackberry and Oreo. Oh yeah. So good. So good. So that's it. Guadalest. Nice little preview of the little town, our little village. So now we're going to head over to the waterfalls. I'm looking forward to this. I'm well excited for this. It's going to be good. So let's head on out.
You got there, Lou?
Woke up.
No, you won it fair and square.
It's coming home, everyone. It's coming home.
Put it back.
What do you think, guys?
Da da da. Da da da.
Peaky Blinders. Love the Peaky Blinders. By the order of the Peaky Blinders.
Alright, that's enough. That was close. Should have been a medal.
Oh my god, guys, look. Oh, Triceratops right behind me. Ah! Ah! Good fella. And just like that, we have made it to the waterfalls. Les Fonts de l'Algar. So, come on, let's have a look and check it out. Here's a rough map of the area that we're going to be looking at. You can see right over there.
Try
That's
and
the main
pronounce
one.
it.
Les Fonts de l'Algar.
Oh, that was good.
I could have, it sounded a bit French, but I'll give it a good go. So you can see there, top one there, that's where we need to be at. Oh well, looks pretty good, doesn't it? Already a few lads are having a whale of a time. Oh yes, that looks good fun. Go on! Oh, check that out! Like a little mini cave going down there. Woo! Oh, yeah. Hey! Can we get me? Ah! Did he get you wet? Did he get you wet? Beautiful down here. Gorgeous. Perfect down here. All very natural. We're heading all the way to the top and then come down later on. Wondering how much it is to come here. It's only €5 per adult and €5 for parking, and it's €2 for children between 3 and 10 and completely free for 3 and under.
Right, Lee. Your biggest task is to swim towards the waterfall.
I'll try my best, but can't promise. That's a big task, that. Big task.
Try it, go on. Oh, steady. Woo! Wow! It's alright, what's your in?
What's it like? Really rough. I'm ready to do it, really.
Come on, go for it.
Right, I'm going to jump in where you just jumped.
Careful.
Voice change. Oh, yes! Come on, Beth, get in.
This is me now, free for life.
Oh, there we are. 3, 2, 1, down.
We're gonna get Indian. You're so strong. I need to the waterfall.
Come on, Beth. We're going to try and get to the waterfall together. Come on. Come on, we can do it. Dan! Go on, Georgina, go on, keep swimming, keep swimming. so good! That was good. Really good. Was it good? You enjoyed it?
It's cold. Whoa! Easy peasy. Ready, Lou? Oh, he's brown in there.
What
What are you doing, Lou? You doing a bomb?
Gonna jump.
Yeah, it's gonna go full bomb. Ready? Woo! Oh! Oh, good. Woohoo! Okay, so cold. That was intense, that one. Could have hold my nose, and that was a load of water went up my nose.
1, 2, 3. Go!
Easy.
Can you stop attention seeking now? Come on. Come on. 1, 2.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah, a little bit. Did that hurt your belly?
Wow.
Give us a wave! Give me a high five! No! Did you enjoy that, Lou?
Yeah, it was good. Really enjoyed it.
Did you not get anything up your nose then, water-wise, as soon as you held it really tight?
Time. I do recommend holding your nose because a lot of water went up it first time. Yeah, it kind of hurts after.
You've been so brave. Oh! Oh my god!
We're going to try the biggest waterfall here. Principal waterfall. Come on, let's go and do it. Who did it?
Are you going to try and get closer? I did try. What's it back? Excuse me? Yeah, go on. See what you can do.
Feels well good under there. Does that feel like drunk? Oh wow!
Get under then. Should have been a medal.
Well, that's it. What a fantastic day that has been. We've been to Guadalest.
Go on, try again. Guadalest.
What was that village called?
Guadalest.
Guadalest. Oh.
Same as it was called last 5 times you asked me.
Oh, I always forget where it's called.
Guadalest.
But what a lovely place that is. that'd be really good to have some lunch there, but the ice cream there were really nice. And then we've headed out to the waterfalls, and oh, that were fantastic. Jumped off, got near the waterfalls. I've done like the P.T. Andre tribute there. Really good.
P.T. Andre?
Yeah, the P.T. Andre tribute. Mysterious girl. But all in all, what a fantastic day. Have you enjoyed it, Beth?
Yeah.
Yes. Till then,
It's been
we
brilliant.
get up and we go again. Thanks for watching. Bye.